lose my mind in just a second. But the scars may stay for life.
There's a man sleeping with a woman unprotected, spreading his illness.
Dogshit policeman with medium dark skin tone, distressed face vomiting, unamused face, red angry face, smiling pile of poo.
Not going on. Hey, I said that igloo, yeah. I like him and is a good buy.
Yeah, man. No lie. I tired to hear the people them complain about the juice hot when them come out.
It's a very good buy, man. Cause watch out. Them juice are cool.
Yeah, man. Well cool can serve for the rest of the day.
Oh.
Why? Why? There. Oh. Well, I how you set up the things, them, you know?
Yeah, man,
you better know a base sale me I get from you turn on the style and change up all the things them set.
Provision is one thing, you know. I provide the style and you provide the loyalty.
Yeah, as we come on the topic of provision, when me go get my card?
It's our number, player.
What's it, 17?
That Jesus, nice, sir.
Hello, good day.
Eh?
Oh, good evening.
You know what place we are renting? I don't know no place.
Rent?
Yeah.
I want room I rent, man.
Yeah, that sound good then. So how much?
17,000 a month.
I can't see it.
Yeah, man, sure. Me soon come.
No dog nine here.
No, man, come, man.
So where's the cottage?
Right here, the little one room and bathroom, and you have a little kitchen.
Oh, so you have to do your whole like, water bill and everything?
Yes, you have to pay the water bill and the light bill. It's on you.
It's on me? So,
Alright,
you
alright.
know the better price. The price is too high, man, for one little something. Not like I want a big place, I want little something, you know. You can't do better, man.
Alright, me will give you for $12,000.
Okay then, say less. And this a place here. And this?
Yes, right here.
Okay.
$12,000.
Remember, we have a deal, you know. You understand? Me provide, and you provide loyalty.
No, at this point, it look like I provide because all of the money I go to you.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. One of them time, man, me carry go down there. But just continue be. Just remember, I say me are the man, you know, and me I put on food on the table, you know. So make sure say have food for me if you can eat on the table. Stop worry yourself, man. Just make sure say you do the right thing and sell what you can say, so you can make an idea. You know the thing, me provide everything else.
No, you say you help me out with that business.
Am I
I
not-
mean, say you for buy the stock them and make me control it.
But you don't have nothing to worry about. Me do your ear and everything. You don't have nothing to worry about. Me buy food, put in your house.
Well, it's very nice. It's very nice, man.
Oh, since you like it, 2 months rent to cover, 2 months.
Okay then. I'm gonna have to go on the road, go hustle it, you know.
Hustle it.
Yeah, man, I'm gonna go on the road, go hustle it, man. Yeah, I'm gonna hustle it. Don't worry about that, man.
All right, no problem.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. No.
Alright, here, I go down on the road there, you know. You understand?
Alright, do it.
I go down so see if I can sort out some. If you sell one cow in idea, so I go see if I can get a cow sell on some.
Alright, bring back 2 patty for me.
Patty alone, you know?
Yeah, man.
You don't want a cocoa bread?
No, I don't want a cocoa bread.
Alright. Be good. So far, see?
Alright.
What you say, man?
2 patty.
Just that alone?
That's all.
You sure?
Yeah, hurry up and go on here, block the way of the the road.
Hey, watch it, you know.
I mistake, man. Hurry up and go on.
Eh?
So you feel like you can strap my strive, but I forget that coach there. You could have deal.
Alright, so Louis, you're gonna do the Chinese walk with the tube.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
You saying I go do the lunges with the weights.
Alright,
Yeah,
sir. Yes, sir.
Alright. Good day.
Good day. Excellent day.
You say one drinks to come by though.
Yeah, which one of the drinks them you want?
No, where you been there?
You can take anything you want. As a matter of fact, you can take the whole igloo. Anything for you.
Yeah.
You know, so much money, me just want one drinks.
Alright.
Remember what, alright.
Oh, that you want?
Mm.
Alright, I can take it. It's on me.
And you sure?
Yeah, man. You're good, man. Come, I go want some of that physical education, you know.
Mm-hmm. Say athlete up.
No, but I can be an athlete for you.
You know, easy, you know.
That's all I want. With that strong body, they don't want a nick snacks.
No, man, you told me they're training, you know, so I just want something for your hygiene, you know?
Alright, that's a word.
Mm-hmm.
Have a good rest of the day.
He walks in quiet, hat pulled low, dust on his boots, miles on his soul. They call his bluff, they cross that line. Now he's here to take it back this time. Name in the shadow, blood in the track, Mr. Take It Back. Mr. Take It Back. From the red clay roads to the neon haze.
Alright, thanks. I broke my dog. Thank you, Jesus. Sweetie over here, star snacks. All of the hot girl, them come buy a hot sweetie right up on the lip. You know buy the juice?
Right,
Thanks. Alright, girl. What's ya?
Hey, nobody feel like I can style me, you know. That me, sorry. I'm sorry.
Nobody with the time my business place.
Sorry.
Where you come and say with the excitement for now?
What excitement for? After they a fool running the trainer over school? Eh? A fool they take me for? Eh? After everything what me do for you? You a fool running the trainer. I think me not see no kiss up and you wipe off your face.
Trainer?
The man who teach you pin them over school.
Every day you dream Simu with a different man.
Eh? And every day out there do extracurriculum, eh?
Why would it? I feel like me I go run your down feet.
You can't take me for either.
You think me I go run your down go on with it, go sell juice or salve?
Yeah, man.
The trainer go buy me 5 more igloo full up of juice. Right. They can't go on with that. Watch him to know. Idiot man, go on. Go on with it. Idiot man, watch him now. What?
Them not like us, no. Still them bite us. Yeah. Talk big, hype up. Can't style us. Them a watch every move. Screenshot. See them style where we fling them a re-rock. Whole squad in a real life G-Shock. Time them a chase we a wristwatch TikTok. Talk tough but them soft like plush. Bad mind heart full of dust and rust. Say them lead but a weed them a trust. Every new thing drop them a just.
Hello, good afternoon. You know the last person on the line?
I know say after me, another lady there. But I am the last person in the line, so.
Oh, alright.
So what's the name?
My name Kimberly.
Kimberly?
Mm-hmm.
Delroy.
Nice to meet you, Delroy.
So you're from around here?
I come from South.
Yeah. So yeah, most of my money where I take out the machine.
I have to deal with business selling us something we like collect it for good.
Pretty girl like you.
So pretty girl like me can do business.
So you plan to do after this?
No, I'm just planning for us to go to the grocery store, collect something and head home.
So I can come to my grocery store to come get a little beer.
Sure. You want to buy them, you can come with me, come buy them. Where you come with me, let's come do.
I don't have a problem if I buy them, you know. Just don't want to get no trouble, you know.
I'm not trying to forget it now.
Well, you know them man at nowadays, you know. They watch the woman.
I'm not getting to woman. I'm here alone out here, as I can see.
Okay, good.
Oh.
I'm in next year, so I come.
You gave your best to a cold heart. Now you say you don't believe.
Girl, must have meet you on cute boy at the ATM. You look like you have a piece of food, yes, but I don't know. I'm going to fight to some call and tell her the details, mama.
You pull your hand out my hand, but I can see through the angle.
Alright, are you next here?
Oh, aye.
So we can't get the number.
I'll come back home.
Yeah, come on. Alright. So you say get through?
Yeah, I get you.
So you say I do after this car?
Yeah.
Probably get some to eat and then go kind of things that want to send me a collect.
So come on, get us something to eat, man. You know, things second.
Whole team solid, we don't do pretend. Came from the quiet, turned it to a trend. Talk big talk, but they pockets stay light. Name in their mouth, but they never see sight. I was in the back, now the back seat gone. Every small doubt turn fuel, I'm on. They score my page, try to copy my frame. Still can't clone how I carry my name. They not like us. Talk too much, can't back that up. They all hype, we built from dust. Cut from cloth, they can't touch. They not like us. Hands in the air when the beat go up. Whole block know when we pull up. They not like us.
Mommy. And you must say me a kid that igloo you can't give, you know.
Where you get igloo from?
I must say me the promise to say me I buy one igloo, man. But actually time, man, me never really. I come say me I can't get that igloo, yeah. Because you know say, no current no there from when or something. You can put your juice them and whatever, ice, keep them cool. So igloo, yeah, you know, man, it serve long, you know. Anything you put in there tomorrow morning is still cool.
I'm not even sitting here by care from me.
No, some mommy, man, I disrespect you,
Me nah disrespect you because the lady shop break and them boy and thiefing boy I sell thiefing goods.
No, man, you know.
Stop eating meat, you know, my son.
You know better than that, man.
I'm not buying on spoiled meat. So anyways, so come out the road. So I'm boss come here.
You know, say, as some call me, I work there someone go check on them too, you know.
Alright.
Say me can sell out one of them in
So how much of that cow you have?
Yeah, you don't know if I call them, I have money.
So like how you go sell one, sell two, no? Because me really in need of some money. Because from the hurricane pass through, I don't get no help from nobody, you know. They say me not eligible. So then text me and say.
Say you're not eligible?
Say me not eligible.
So what about illegitimate person are you there?
No, because through me kind of take time and fix up back your house. And me take me little time, you know. And me just want a little bit more help. Just little tip more help. See there? My phone mash up. See there back on my phone.
You know you want to go on to Portmore?
It worse than Melissa. If I nothing worse than Melissa, I don't hear about it. If I nothing worse than a storm, a hurricane, when you're Melissa, I don't want to know about it. I don't want to hear about it.
Be things, man, them up there as sex off you, man, them without condom and just a growing and a spread. Be things with the young girl, man. No, say sometime when the young girl then come out as, then pray for the younger one, them too, you know, man. When they just come out of school, no, man, fresh, you know. Them the one there, you know, man, because they know so they want to not really ask no question, you know. So,
girl can't carry something unless somebody give it to girls, you know. Practice safe sex, because some of them put you and wait for their time, then take up adult business, put on their head before time. Which is not right, because they cannot take care of themselves.
You remember a girl sharing it? You know what I know, say?
For your girlfriend sharing it, you're going out?
Yeah, after I say some Bamson moment. Actually, we not tell her they ain't you know, man. True. Me catch him with man 2 times, you know. First, before that, me catch her 1 time a river with man. You see me? And me forgive her.
But yeah, say to me.
2 times with man and he tell me saying sorry in ball and he tell me saying sorry, no, do it again. And one because next, me go sketch him with the coach.
Let me tell you something, my son. You see, in this life and in this world, the only somebody you own is you. You hear me I tell you that? You don't own nobody but yourself. You hear? You listen to me I say to you?
I hear you, man.
You don't own nobody but yourself. Then say finger think you can cut you off and dash away. And how can a mother tender care sees from the child she bears? But let me tell you this. You see, if you're going to walk with something where you know, when me know, me not give you. Because I care you coming to this world, you know, and you get it from somebody else, master, I don't know if I go want you, my yard. Because this thing is very contagious and it is catching. I mean, I know you can't catch it inside true blood or whatever, but me not take no chance. I mean, not take no check.
But me always use my condom. I always use my condom. There's not one time I may ever...
Condom can burst, you know. And you tell me, say condom ever make me ask, can I accuse it? Condom ever burst? Fire yet, my son?
The long love one, me not too like the long love one. The long love one, it burst quick. Not too like the long love one.
If you feel like or you see, I don't know, because my mother used to tell me, which is your grandmother say, where I no see heart, no lip. So if you see with fear eye and then everything you see, I saw you go. But if you see with fear eye and you hear with fear ears, I don't know if I know you know with, I don't know. Because they say you have 5 senses, but I think I'm more than 5 because common sense. So use your common sense. You see, let me tell you something. You see vagina and penis at I don't want ordinary organ then do something there, you know.
Yo, move faster, man.
Here dog answer. The dog say yes. Yesterday. That dog talk their language, you know. But you have to answer when them attack. As me talk, just like one time they did crucify Jesus and he did tell Peter say rooster go crow 3 times before whenever time when he go deny him. Here dog the dog not deny you at all. You hear us?
Don't get tested. Don't get tested. So what you want me to do? You want me to bring in the igloo?
Bring in the igloo because I can't manage it. The only one thing I tell her do the right.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man.
I love you, my son. I don't want nothing to wrong with you.
Well, I love you to my mother.
Alright.
Yo, Pickney. On all this, anything you have in there, you put in there. Any juice, you put in there. Here? Why better than that, so I can come from morning. So you say, Mummy, what you do?
I know so I pick up something from you. But it's alright. I will keep it to myself.
Alright. I come go check on the code over farm there. You know about the Gar Road?
Take a care come. But you have to say something to me.
You know about the Gar Road?
I'll call one taxi.
Alright, I'll check on the code over farm.
Alright. Remember, so when you sell it, how you have to carry for me dividend coming up.
Alright.
Yeah. I love you here.
Boy, I love you to my mother. Yeah, come on.
See a pretty little brownie walking by. Sun on your skin make the whole road shine. Bag on your shoulder, smile half shy. You glance one time, nearly lose my mind. Pretty little brownie, where you going so fast? Slow down, let a good vibe last. Every step you take, my heartbeat track. If you walk out my world, how I'm gonna walk back. Pretty little brownie.
Hi, Browning. Hello. Good evening.
Mom.
First, may I say, what's your name?
Shante.
Shante? Yeah. So around us you live?
Rent one place around here.
Oh, you just move in? So you don't want a tour guide?
No, sir.
Yeah? I mean, we can show you the little nice spot them, you know, the private spot them.
If you want to, but I don't really want no where. Because I understand everywhere around here, I say I rent around here, so obviously.
Delroy then call me here. Me basically, I have a lot of things around here, so cow farm and everything.
Oh, you're rich.
I really so rich, you know, but I do well for myself. Alright, so me call you here.
Right.
Keep the link, you know.
As long as you have the cash, you know, then the link you can keep.
Prostitute thing ain't right, Jessica. Stripperella says she flirt with her boyfriend, Bridget. Him have money and bling, so she go to bed with him. One night, wrong choice, cheap motel smell. He smile, she numb, say me soon do well. Close her eyes, chase hype, chase thrill. Never know, say he's a grave, she a bill. Mercy please, God, mercy please. She a ball, she a beg pon knees. Life a slip like sand from man. All this pain from one little man. Mercy please, God, mercy please. Doctor say it spread. It not ease when she hears say murk, she heading all what quiet, your tears them shedding. Couple weeks skin pale, weight gone, night sweat, rush pain from dusk till dawn. She start to seek penicillin, hospital bed now the place she living. Them run test nurse face get long. Family outside, I sing sad song. She catch it from a man in Portmore. Name call, but him still the road. Oh, mercy please, God, mercy please. She a ball, she a beg pan knees. Life a slip like sand from man. All this pain from one little man. Mercy please, Lord, mercy please. Doctor say it spread. It nice when she hears the mark. She heading all word quiet. Your tears them shedding, girl. If you hear this, take it slow down. It can heal you when your body run down. Quick cash sweet, but the coffin cold. Little fun cause you're the days you won. Mercy please, God, mercy please. She a ball, she a beg pan knees. Life a slip like sand from run. All this pain from one little man. Mercy please, God, mercy please. Your last word it a freeze. Tell the young girl them me a warning. Then her eyes closed before morning.
Jessica, Henry, Portmore.
Boy, I didn't know why anyone use no condom, but I like it raw. I enjoy.
I use no condom. You have to feel everything.
It's good, man. When the flesh and the flesh hold together, me see me. I'm too quail up.
Yeah, you're too extra. Where money? Where 10 grand? I said 10 to 15. What happened?
We think a relationship.
Papa, when me doing a relationship?
Remember, when you sell, you use condom. Now, me you go raw dog. That's a relationship. Yeah.
Papa, you know me say business me do.
Me there. Me see how you me come look for. With the girl when me rent the place, me a clean up and find your ID. Jessica Henry. I put more the girl come from.
So you think my vagina free of cost?
Yeah. Me never say free. Me never say free. But when you sell, you use condom, right?
Look here now. You can't do licky now. Because guess what? Remember say you don't know people background now.
Pass it 10 grand or 15,000.
Me not have no money.
Where me buy that no money?
Bro.
Empty your pocket, yeah.
You think I love you come give me when you tell me.
Funny come. Yeah, just I run busy so. Every night is an ex carries an ex man.
I could have worse than that. I could have thief. I could have even one murderer you bringing in your place.
No, a business me depend, Papa, if you do that, a business. Papa, give me the money, and me burn down the whole of the house here. Nobody make you know me mad, and I first. Me burn down a client house. Nobody with it. Papa, give me something, man.
That's why you have to know where they rent your place to.
Yes, man, cause he busy me think a working class girl, not a working class. Man, he love see the Portmore. Hot foot them, you know. Not one more Portmore person me a rent my place.
And you make me put on so much icky on your neck.
So, then I always do it. Every one of them do that.
No, you go to the man where you're selling a condom and do it in a condom. Me and your relationship.
Papa, that's the difference. Me not sex nobody in a condom. Everybody get it raw just like you did. I'm not a relationship material. You know that. You know me. Why?
No, enough man sleep with go and turn them in their wife. Nothing wrong with that.
Papa.
You know, say go them better than the normal woman when we see I go around parrot. And them a private world. Them bad.
You have to check people background, mama. before you take them to your place. You know, say from the same day, I could have went tell her from me say her, me know she never did no good news, but she not really busy with people business, me just low it, but me did know that this a go happen.
Me no want a relationship for no man, my business me deal with business. So you need to figure out a way and give me money and make me have nothing. Don't touch me.
Let me work out a thing. Me not go eat till because yourself. Sell other man and give me raw. Sell them in a condom and give me raw.
No, me not use no condom, I like condom.
Me say when the girl there at me place, no in a no peace, the car then just a slide through so like a KFC drive through.
Blood of Jesus.
Yes, so what happened? I'm gonna get to the same time sometime too. Like back to back. As we do that one day.
Every man.
Yeah, every one of them.
You have sex with raw dog?
Yeah, so they like it. So you like it, you never enjoy.
How am I coming at you?
So you're coming at me for? What you this? A relationship you look?
You're not a problem.
What if you're not a problem? No, dear, you're good. You're good, man. You're good. I got a doctor, you're good.
You don't know if me clean up, me don't know if you clean.
What do you mean by that?
Me 100% sure me clean.
Well, me 200% sure me clean. So you don't have nothing now, dear. I'm very much clean.
You don't have no money anyway. I'm broke.
I don't know if you do about it. Me just glad saying gone.
All this happen still because you're too licky.
You know what? It's like we are the people pitney. Something bad go reach you, and I hope you don't feel that way about it. All this like you need this more than you go really need it, you hear?
Man, anyways, I partner money me and ask you about it already yet.
Me make you know when you're ready. And take up our ID and let me play see you then.
Alright, me will see you.
Later.
But licky and me want a little money.
Keep on a hurt girl pitney and a treat girl pitney, so something really go reach you.
Reach me.
Don't ask nothing. You're well frightened for browning. Well, sweet you go so yeah?
Don't worry, me a tell them man in there. That alone I saw me.
You catch your memo, but...
We not catch your memo.
Why? It's sweet.
What me not catch your memo with? I can't do this. I can't.
You came sweet like Sunday, sun on my window frame, laughing in my kitchen, calling out my name. Now the cup's still in the sink, your toothbrush in the glass. How can all that gentle cut me like broken glass?
Watch out there, Roy. Yo.
Yeah, go on it.
Wow, I tell her, boy, I just list a girl, you know.
You know them time I'm on it,
One brown girl, the girl sweet, good.
So where she come from?
Portmore. Yeah, man. Girl come in, man, I'm a condom, and the girl tell me about no condom, raw dog. I'm a try raw dog for you girl feel good. They say, when I tell me I have a girl from the backers, how me did that? I'm lazy. Yeah, man, put him on the back here. I'm hold him in the head and I say, yeah. And when I tell him put him on his back, I'm going to start put a hickey on his neck. They are coming out, you know. Yeah, man. And then mama church and after that. Wow, money. I said, listen, me, our relationship with you know, when I sell you use condom, when you not tell me I'm free without condom.
So hold on. You know watch the news, you know see nothing going on the media.
Sometimes the news not relevant right now.
So you know hear what going on Portmore?
No.
And a Portmore so she come from?
Yeah.
And you know hear what going on Portmore?
Galmore. Yeah.
Eh?
No?
Brother, at 28,000 people then say that in Jamaica are HIV positive, you know?
20 who?
28.
Enough of we there, man. At about 2.3 point something million there. We good, we all right.
Them time, brother, you have to protect yourself. You have to protect yourself, brother.
Listen, when you protect yourself, you don't get no youth. The government to pick the shot.
So you just meet the girl and you make a girl trick you, bro?
No, listen me. You kind of, I don't know, you know, but I think I'm safe, you know. Because naturally, if a girl don't feel sick, I don't know. If you're sick, I don't know.
Why? It come like say you really you know no sense, you know?
What do you mean by no sense?
You can't look past somebody and know if they're sick.
Yes, you can't know.
Imagine you have a bag of water, Zin?
Yeah.
You put your hand in it.
Yeah.
One next man put their hand in it.
Yeah.
Somebody else come put their hand in it.
Yeah.
You go drink the water there?
No.
A dirty water.
It's dirty.
Right? You have to think, bro.
When them body no look good, they sick. Once them body no look good, they sick. It's once them shape good and they are bumper and they alright and they fit, yeah, then good. Once them mag and chingy, they no good. Bad record.
Yeah, Wagwan. You know, Wagwan. The one sharing it.
Who?
After me stay so Bamson and set up style game and something, see?
She taking man fire.
I've coach. Right. I disrespect me right in front of the business place.
I ain't take up his style.
Brother, me take back my igloo.
No, you shouldn't take back the igloo.
What you mean I shouldn't take it back?
Listen me, when you get born and know, it better than no know.
Me can't do that. Me can't just a grown so make them a little girl come feel like I say they want to come just. You have to know where you are, brother.
No man, raw. Just go through that.
Me, Del Rai, nah fat no fall for no mongoose.
No, every fall have a fat for mongoose. But not everything for mongoose I go catch.
Right now, Joe, this a thing I go on, man. I just go on easy myself, you know.
No, man, if you think about that, if you think about what go on around the island, you're not going to get through, so.
Listen, me alright. You hear? Me alright. Me I can go. Me alright. Me not make them a little girl that trick me.
You know no style, man. You need to come to my school. Come to my school.
Alright, Popeye. Next time you use a condom and make that young girl tell you nothing.
Oh, bombo clado rascal. Oh, bombo clado rascal. I said I came upon this girl pretty on the outside, poison on the inside. Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Yeah, ball play to you say now. You know, so there I'm there and the girl side I look for white woman. Hold on, me G. Nice lady. Taxi. Anyway, we going there, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Oh, God, you look so nice, my friend.
No.
Yeah, man, see a sign, man. You know, see it. Taxi, you know, you go. Niggle, anyway, you know.
Is it free of cost too?
As I use still, you know. Real, you know. You see, show me rich. I really sham me the really and that still, you know.
Yeah, that means
So,
get it free.
Free. You can't get it free, man. I have a friend, man. A ball game, man, you know.
Is that for your vehicle?
Twisco!
Hey, go Ted, bad dog.
Oh, you did it. Wagwan.
I go.
Yeah, tired of this man.
I'm there and I go to my style. One bun and one high grade.
Oh boy.
You look bun out though, you look so.
If I did bun out that one so bad. So, you know, sir, one browning from Portmore can link me, you know.
Anything I say, man, you know, because I'm rich, you know, and I really say, I have to charge, you know, I just sham me really on that, you know. I just stay so wait for some white people, and I stay so good, man, stay so rare and I drink all of one, you know.
I say the rich, you have money, you have enough money.
You don't know, so we no cap, not you see we cap out here, you know, my friend. We no cap, you know. I sham me on the car too, I don't want to rob me, you know.
Oh.
You see it?
I like
ball game, man, you know.
Show your car, show your car.
Anything where you see me, I feel me, man, but you don't have to be my park up, back up, son, you know.
Yeah, be man.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you know, just on that sham thing, you know.
So, how I go on? Knock you raw dog. Cause the girl look good enough. And the girl look for me and tell me, say, yo, don't use no condom. Cause when you use condom, means scratch. So you go raw. Yeah.
So, you bring me that car?
Eh?
Yeah, tour me around the world.
I mean, man.
Alright then, that sounds good.
You could have done that, yes.
I would like that tour. Be a passenger princess.
Oh, you mean, man? Could have done that, man. So where say I reach?
Yeah, you know, bring me out. You can't just run in cash anymore.
God, no, I mean, baby. Go on. Come on, son. Come on, my friend.
Yeah, open the door too.
Yeah, man. Go on in front of me now.
Alright.
You know, food style that raw dog, bad dog.
Thank you.
Bro, my friend, man. I know you go. You know, rich like that, you know. You want AC?
Yeah.
I come turn it on, my friend, you know.
Go in night and everything nice and put all icky a girl neck on the man.
What you say?
Put all icky on her neck.
Hurry up, driver, in your heart.
Well, I'm my friend, man, you know. You say hot.
Yeah.
You know, say AC. The mechanic when sort out the butt. Hold on.
But when I come out now, she had to charge her for me. For money.
Hold on, let me see. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm not going to them, man. I hope my man not jealous.
Alright, let me get to your point here, man. A business me come down upon now. A Portmore me come from here.
10 grand she wants still in it.
Sure. You not give that?
No, me give him $100. May I eat that? Give him $100.
Good.
So me can know. So I don't have time for waste time business.
What is a business? What do you mean, my friend?
You know what I mean? I don't have to talk it. You know what I mean? I'm a business.
I scam me, I try to scam her, but the worst thing that I will never try that again.
So I'll make you laugh. So I'm funny about that.
Yeah, that not sound good, man.
So, yeah, bring me everyone want to go. Yeah? I'm going to just give you some mind. You understand? I will not. What you say about?
Yeah, no. You don't know what I say. I don't have the clinic where I come from.
Oh, yeah. How are you everything like?
Voila. You serious, my friend?
I say me I give you some, and you bring me everyone want to go. I'm not paying you, you know, see you rich.
Somehow, what do you mean?
You know what I mean? I need to talk with me, and I give you some.
For what? You girl no shot me. And when I see one bag of man line up down there.
I want my fire. What can I go in my fire?
Big old pumpy.
Mad. We have to find that. We have to find her.
You understand what I mean now? Rich or lie, as we claim to say. Like you see you rich.
We have to find... Where she there?
Girl, I was at dash upon me still, you know, but so me rich I want way. But me didn't expect someone to dash upon me like so fast, you know.
You ready or not?
Me have to dismantle that outer village bad dog. You don't know that?
Yes, man, I'm ready, man. Look at my bingo in there. Yeah?
Bad man, she go spread that one right now, you know?
Well, make him spread it, man, because we don't catch you already.
You could go on different parish. Portmore.
He can't look hot. But sometimes we learn my lesson.
A serious movement, this, man. Good things I'm not work for nobody. Oh, dear, man.
Bad dog, tell her this, bad dog. We need to find her, because what she pray. You must say we don't really use condom, you know. Because when we use condom, a condom, you the sex. You know, sex, the woman, you sex condom. We're not too like instead.
I understand that, but I learn my lesson. I start use condom.
So we need to find her before she mash up a whole village bad man.
When people look too hot, them not ready yet.
But that we're going to show you how we deal with them people.
They can't come mash her up, no, sir?
They can't come mash up with village. We have to mash her up first.
But when the girl chop back the $100 at the end of the day and said, I'm going to need it more, she did right. We did really need it more because guess what? I end up spending a lot of money from big old capsule.
Said I came upon this girl.
Just forward, follow me here. Yeah, man. I'm like a room there, I see.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
Where she there? Where location there?
Me know where she live, man.
She stay.
Oh, can't believe that, Daddy. And that's why girl tell me say, oh, don't worry me head.
Easy, Uncle Paul.
You don't know her location?
Yeah, I know where she live.
Right now, we need to find her because she go mash up a village and we can't bother with that.
My general.
You see me?
Sorry, sir, ready?
And we don't need to send her back to our parish. Cause she go mash up it over again. So what we gonna do?
Chana. Sit down in the room, let them mess up. Come now, we are going, you know. Go on.
6 foot. Come in, bad dog. What you do? Take up sitting a bad dog.
Oh. Ready, long
Come in,
time.
location.
Auntie Merle.
Long time already, you know, cause my girl have to get a pot, you know. Walk up, man.
Bad dog, I think a joke business is a bad dog. Yo, tell her this.
No worry, head, man.
Worry which head? Yo, me tell her this, man.
She did it.
Listen to me, no, man. Some reach on there. Me book her and a deal with her. Me know why you can sorry for nobody in a bad dog.
Me not sorry for you. That's why I take up the pot.
Hey, me say?
Cause more Leonard in her face.
All right. Show you.
Come on, that way I go. Come on. Oh, this driver.
You serious?
Yeah, man. I want to talk serious. I can't take it.
All right.
We are going to waste it.
Sure.
Yeah, man.
All right, madam.
Tell me to pay me, I go.
Driver.
What boy?
Road we are doing. Hear me, father.
Ah, yeah.
Oh yeah, the snap. Yeah, my friend, you know. Word life, you know. Believe the man. I tell you, say, yo. Alright, so. I'm going to show you what I go on now. See? Come out and stuff. Lock it in now.
Yo.
Huh?
In 400 meters, turn left onto West End Road.
John, know you me for build up a hot cliff bad dog.
You see her, man. No worry.
Driver.
Yeah.
Tell him a bad dog. You know, say, one catty. How if make you know I go on, can tell we go for moving, you have to short, you know.
Believe, man. Believe.
But you pray. Can't not frying a bad dog or one catty. What move should I say? Pull out the place, and not stay the place.
Yeah.
When you come from again, bad dog?
Portmore.
Portmore.
Yeah, sure.
You'll have big hair.
I'll show you what I go on now, my friend. Alright, so watch now. As you can see now, right? Pure white people. See white people?
Yeah.
Enough white people, you know.
We have to find him and get rid of him out of that place. Remember me tell you that.
Yeah, and the boy.
Yeah, man, just step in our belly so we can reach him for the location as in the car. I find me, I chop him up in a man and give him 20 out of this 28 here, man.
I said then call name. See name, I said, come show your name, Papa. Yeah, see name there, is it? The double word, right? See it?
Yeah, Woodstock.
Woodstock, you know.
Remember me tell you. See, our driver, you could have go meet him on the road, same way, and get in thing, trick same way, you see me?
Same way.
Yeah, so it's here now, like, people come and do them things. Just like where you say you come from, where you say you come from? Portmore? Yeah, man, then come and do them thing, you know, and the girl this and them come and look white people, and so you say, no, you can't get a Chinese man, you can't get a white man, you can't get a African, pink, blue, you can't get all one bleach out. You understand? Yes, enough people come here and bust. You understand me? I say?
Alright.
You look good, baby, and you know, say ball game are nice here, you know?
Yeah, I'm gonna need enough compliment.
Well, no, man, let me tell you what I go on. No, you ask me in a car, sir. You carry out a place where you can get man, sir. So me I tell you, say, right, that's my friend. You see, when I reach out, you can remember me to you, my friend. Do me a big you know. See? So what time if you pick you up?
Me call you make you know, man, but what is that? Can I realize that water in your buckle, you know, here.
Yo, I just about dog.
Yeah, man. Go around the secure. All right, driver.
Yeah, man, I don't know, bro. Bad dog. Active. Yo, follow them out and I send up in a bad dog. I'm going to call something. You see it? Big up a damn self. You hear that? All right. Bad dog, yo, come here, bad dog. Bad dog, yo. What I respect, right?
Boy, rich lie.
Sit now for drink, my friend. I'm to your friend. Call me here. Come on, bad dog. Tell her this. So we pull up on her. You know why, yo? Remember the little sweet times what she give you before she shot you, see it?
True.
You know why my hand get nasty up?
Me don't remember that. Because right now I'm angry with her.
Angry? Right now my mother mean. Here. That's when time I work. My gloves at work. Me not get me hand dirty.
Jessica's world, quiet as the dark outside. She whispers her name just to feel a little alive.
Me no need for the ball and I beg for nobody.
No, I beg for nobody.
I say, this one time me 28 hour, yeah 78 hour. You understand?
Yeah, man, because the pot heavy thing, you know.
Excuse me. You have a wonderful physical appearance.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would love to get to know the personality that goes with it.
You don't say.
You can join me over here and you don't got to sit so far.
Okay.
Come on. Too rich, run more.
So far, man.
Yeah, man, that's why I'm up. Sure, make it carry still.
Them place here come to get loving youth. It's a youth, wait.
Come on, man.
Hi.
Yeah, you got nice eyes too.
Thank you.
So what a beautiful girl like you doing here alone?
Bored.
Okay. So you want me to spike up a day?
Huh?
You want me to spike up a day?
Fine by me.
Okay, cool.
Walk up the bad dog, walk up the bad dog.
Now move fast, man, now move fast.
Would you like something to drink?
Huh?
Would you like something to drink?
Yeah, sure.
What you want?
Fruit punch, please. Lots of ice.
Okay. Let me get that for you.
Okay.
Red dress, church smile, sugar in her voice. She plays nice.
Hey, so?
Yeah.
Come in. No, that doesn't sound good. Come out.
Oh, too loud. Calm, man. Let's...
There you go.
Thank you.
And here's a straw.
Thank you.
It's what happened.
I see this.
No, I see, man. The girl from, the brownie from Portmore, I see me come to.
Which brownie from Portmore? No brownie from Portmore in the year.
Yeah.
Send her out.
Hold on.
Send her out. How she do?
She do that, man. Remember she do that. Me no idiot.
Look, man, you no move for me. Get no woman there. She's not here.
So, what you doing here?
I'm just on a small vacation. Visit some friends and family. Just came from Alabama. And
That's nice.
okay.
Yeah.
Bad dog. I don't say that man woman and know him a play with bad dog. You know, see me gear. No. How she do bad dog?
Oh, Mr. Just
Yo, make sure scenario. No.
She have to come out now. She have to come out.
Bad dog. No back fence around it.
Well, I'm just here.
Okay, and as I can see, you really have nothing going on. I'm a little bit tired. I'll probably get somewhere in the area. Stop and would you mind joining me?
I don't really know. I don't really know. I can't just come with you and it's not benefiting me in any way. It has to benefit me, so.
So you're a slow girl, like it's slow. Want me to slow it down? Money is not my problem, you know. My problem is a beautiful girl like you beside me to make me happy.
What?
A beautiful girl like you to make me happy.
Oh, okay.
Can you solve my problem? Can you make me happy?
If you got a lot of money, then I don't got a problem. I will stay for as long as you want.
That's
as long as you got the cash.
That's
Paper. I get that virus in that place, yo. Bad dog.
Over here, sir.
You get have big hair. Over here, sir.
I give you a bun.
You have big hair. Virus, shut up the whole place. You shot me, dog. Right now. So, motherfucker.
You get some?
Yes.
Woo! Come on, man.
No.
Someone film one now.
I'm gonna chop her like a chicken. So you down or not?
What?
You down for it or not?
If you're ready, as long as money is involved, I'm fine with that.
Okay, cool.
You ready?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
You speak English?
A little.
We're gonna chop her up today.
Yes, come on, do it.
Chop her up like a...
Come on, do it.
Oh, sit down. Fuck. What's your name, madam? What's your name? What's your name?
Browning.
Browning.
Browning. Come on, daughter.
On the move for me, get you not there.
We have to go for our next day, you know. We have to go find her. You see? Yo, madam, hold on, just link up. You see me? Yo, hold on.
All right.
Sand in my shoes, glue on my soul, sits in my pocket, and a hole where my heart should go. 7 mile secrets burnt into my skin. Every lucky number, let another ghost walk in. Do it for the love of money. Do it for the hate of what it's done. One last spin, then I swear that I'm gone for the love of money and the life that it stole. I'm buying back my freedom with the price of my soul.
Hello?
Come in, no man, come now.
No dog, Nina.
No, sir. No dog, no there. Come now, man. Don't move so slow.
Boy. Just have to carry my daughter go left up on my auntie, you know, man, cause can't carry her come down so with me, you know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, come on, we'll go in.
Remember if you stop and get one condom a while ago, you have none?
Papa, me good. Let me need no condom. What you talking about?
I mean...
They give me scratches when I use condom. Scratch me.
Condom scratch?
Yeah, I'm allergic to it. Can't use it.
You can't just...
You go in the bedroom or what, man? I want to put some money, man. How can I client this, man?
But me...
Who send you? Come here now, what this, you know? You just broke my vibes.
Hold on. I don't want to break your vibes. I'm just go get one, see if I get one.
We don't need no condom. So go on in there also will get in the business and stop piss me off.
You want something to drink?
I don't want nothing. Just go on go do it. I do because I can't bother you for your business.
So you can't be yourself?
Yeah, piss me off, man. We don't know what kind of... Yo, just go on, man. I brought the vibes. Go on, get where I get on.
Is it that is a specific condom where scratch you or everyone?
Every one of them.
So you just go...
You come at this man a day first, you know, say a highest crime ever did. Just go on.
So how we are gonna do this? Cause what if I get pregnant?
You know, say me someone come like saying want me lick him done it. Man, you me tell us if you go and get the drinks, I say I go feed drinks, go and get the drinks and come back. So we can get in the business.
Yeah, but what if I get pregnant?
Me not breed. You look like you can't breed, man. So just go on. So me not that worry. But if I say you look and act, just go on.
Alright, what kind of juice you want?
Me not want my someone to come back again. No, so come and make my new bit woman. You new bit woman?
Alright.
Go on now.
No one beat you without them condom, man.
Yo, me say, go and get what you get and go on to the bedroom, right, and stop piss me off.
I'm gonna get the juice and come back.
Old man at the counter, counting change for his coffee. Said, son, there's rules to loving that nobody ever taught me. Grin through the crease.
Oh, they do. You know, no condom. You sell condom in there? No condom.
Treat her hard like crystal. Don't you ever toughen up. Pinch your pride, leave an inch for her. Roll with the punches, don't make it.
Excuse me.
Give her
you have no condom?
she's scared to fall.
Alright, no there.
Close and she's had it all. Yeah, love's that line between gentle and strong. Pinch, leave an inch.
Hi, girl. Hello, how are you? You know, here walk on.
Yeah, girl.
Me say it's stinking at the street, girl. It's stink. You know, we burn girl when I walk past, I go like say big and hype type and everything. Yes, I'm going like say more than anybody else. It a walk a spread disease.
A lie.
You know hear about it?
No.
A lie I tell. Right now, every man I look for me. Hey, in front go there, so in front come here, so. Every man a community matches.
So you are gonna put more?
No, we're gonna put more.
There are be disease on there, so.
A lie.
Yes, girl. I mean, you don't know the girl come from. You know, me did hear say that girl love man for food, but I don't believe it, because you can't hear say God quote.
Me know, but guess what? Right now, one big angry bull man, I walk up and down and look for him. Thank God, me not ready for no man. You say, if you know I do not, use condom.
I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, I do not.
No, girl.
Oh, so your skin have your teeth.
Shante. Shante.
Yeah.
Come here. Your real name Shante?
Yeah, what?
So me say be a man run this all look for you.
Oh.
A group of angry mob.
No man cannot look for me, I don't know if that goes so. I'm not sure carry on.
I mean, the only brown girl from Portmore. A Portmore you come from?
Me not remember.
I mean I don't remember.
Why you in my business? You come for get something or you come for investigate my life. Or what your problem?
Just be honest with me.
Me don't need to be honest with you. I come a business we come for you and if you investigate my life and I ask one bag of questions where you come from. Where you want to come from? You ready now?
So you not hear all the things about the man them say about you on the street?
Me don't know about that. I'm in a business what they want chat say. What you talk about?
I say just have sex with the man them without condom. And you didn't want me to have sex with you without condom a while ago?
Enough brown girl there Portmore.
So why I do this? Why?
Do what?
This why I do. Why I do it?
Why me I do this?
Yeah.
You ready? I ain't gonna keep on asking questions. And me enough brown girl there Portmore than me alone.
This why I do wrong, you know.
Wait, what you talk about? Is there a problem?
So why purpose I do this? Why I get out of this?
Don't worry, I'm getting a lot out of it.
As a beautiful young girl like you?
A revenge.
What do you mean revenge?
It's a revenge. Me forget the details. And why am I doing it?
That only will create more damage in a place, you know.
For them business that I don't care.
You know how dangerous it is that the things we are doing right now?
No.
And you can't go jail for this, you know. You know that?
Jail. Me can't go jail.
The fact say you know say you're sick. And you're grown and have unprotected sex with the man them and I do all sort of something.
So are you a man them?
And you want me to have sex?
Are you a man them?
And you want me to have sex with you?
Are you a man them? What you worry about man them from my and you're a man them?
Yeah, but you want me to have sex with you without...
line.
You want me to have sex with you without condom?
Yes, and what?
You feel like I say, pain can't cure pain.
Who is you if you tell me say this is right from wrong? Yeah, worry about man them like say you're man them. No my man them. We are worry about them for. They just go in the line. What's the problem?
Well, it was nice to meet you still.
So we know what I do it.
You know make your man them use condom. You know protect yourself. You know protect your people them.
For their business.
You tell the man them say it a scratcher.
It is. You know go on?
Alright, Mr. Second. Me see you.
Yes, go on.
I'm really dodge a bullet.
Go on, man. You just lame.
Liam?
A 9, man. You broke like.
Jessica, name on every tongue in town. Screens glow, they pass her picture around. She reads the words like knives across her phone. Four bare walls, but she has never felt this alone. Jessica's world is falling apart. Every whisper pulling at her heart. And they say her name like it's some kind of curse. She thinks I'm a person, not a rumor, not the worst. Jessica's world crumbles in her hands just for trusting someone who never made plans. She's more than a story that they share in the dark. But tonight she lies awake with the cracks in her heart.
Oh, them something. Hello.
What is it? What is it? What is
Good
it?
evening.
What happened?
What is this?
What are you doing with this? Why are you so up in my business? I'm here to rent your place, so you're not supposed to. Yeah, why are you in my business, lady?
Where you get them here from? What happened to you? What happened to you, miss? Look here, me not like how you look.
You don't have no right for going on my medical thing. Why you in a medical thing?
Me say, the man them not stop come on my place, come ask me for you.
So what have you do with every man them a come to me and you them a come to? Are you them a come to?
The whole heap of man you have bought the place from me band come and hold me never see this.
Me ask you a question. I fear man them.
You is a little Spanish town, hot foot, you got to go.
I can't leave a place to tune. That's what you're saying. I want to stay here. I don't have to stay here in this little thing. Your place still stay good.
Name on every tongue in town. Screens glow, they pass her picture around. She reads the words like knives across her phone. Four bare walls, but she has never felt this alone. Jessica's world is falling apart. Every whisper pulling at her heart. They say her name like it's some kind of curse. She thinks I'm a person.
You see, it's dry foot, girl. I don't know where him come from. Come and harass people, good boy fit me with him tough foot. Them along, man. Damn dry foot. No come back. You got to go. Leave. Don't come back, me lock me gate. I don't know where this girl come from.
She the cracks in her heart.
We didn't know this neck of the woods.
What you mean?
You're in Westmoreland.
On vacation.
Vacation?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's a small world, eh?
Yeah.
You know, you were brought in by strangers here. You know what happened? We actually run some tests, you know. That's what happened. Your white blood cells, they're working.
Doctor, you can just give me the pill and let me go, please.
No, it's not like that.
I need to go. I need the pink pill. The others are not working.
You haven't been following up. You haven't been taking them in. So you come in here and you want a stronger dose. It's not working. Why do you think it's not working?
Yet it's not working. Those are weak. We need strong one.
Why, I tell you. Anyway, the white blood cells, you know, we did some tests. They're causing havoc in your body. You know what that means? I know and you know. By the way, just I know you're lying to me about vacation. You're living down here now? I just want to know.
I'm on a vacation, doctor. Damn.
No, just be... You're on vacation here?
Yeah.
You taking the medication?
No.
No? Actually, I know you're not. I guess what happened? I made a call to Portmore and they tell me that you have not been consistently taking the medication. You don't even come in for your dose. And you end up here now, on the road. You end up here? Jessica, I must ask. And this is really serious. Have you been sexually active in Westmoreland since you came here?
No.
Are you sure? Because I know your history now. All right? I know about the Portmore and the back road and all of that. And stuff, and I know the condition you're in. I want you to be very, very clear with me. You haven't been, right?
I haven't.
Okay, make sure. All right? Just give me a minute. I'll be back. All right?
Okay.
Just stay right there. Okay?
Yeah.
Prostitute thing ain't right, Jessica. Stripperella says she flirt with her boyfriend, Brethren. Him have money and bling, so she go to bed with him. One night, wrong choice, cheap motel smell. He smile, she numb, say me soon do well. Close her eyes.
Yo, I got me come grow and say, you know, cause me can't follow you, my dog.
No, don't do it right, kid.
All right, my boss. All right. Make sure you use a condom, sir.
Right off the thing there.
From man, all this pain from one little man. Mercy, please. Lord, mercy, please. Doctor say it spread. It not ease when she hears them mark. She heading all what quiet. Your tears them shedding. Couple weeks skin pale, weight gone, night sweat, rush pain from dusk till dawn. She start to seek penicillin. Hospital bed now the place she living. Them run test nurse face get long. Family outside I sing sad song. She catch it from a man in Portmore. Name call but him still the road. Oh, mercy please, Lord mercy please. She a ball, she a beg pan knees. Life a slip like sun from man. All this pain from one little man. Mercy please, Lord mercy please. Doctor say it spread. It nice when she hears the mark. She heading all what quiet. Your tears them shedding, girl. If you hear this, take it slow down.
Boy, I can't try to take me to eat that. Anyone who use condom? Use a condom every time.
I commercial we are made. Ads we are made.
You know, we call it lens. You know, far out. Everyone has lens and zoom up. We have to wait on the road.
password, it a free.
Alright, they want
Tell
to
the young
answer.
girl them me a warning. Then her eyes closed before morning.